Magandang hapon po ng October 17, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 17, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 17, 2024 Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 45 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 32 million pesos for Thursday, October 17, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 17, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.